Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Sorry about not posting in the last couple of weeks. My family and I have moved locations, so it took a minute to get my room to where I wanted it to be. So we're back, and today I am going to be talking about my mini fridge. I'll let you see the video of me unboxing the product. I will be telling you where I got it from. I'll be giving my opinion just based off of first impressions on it. And then we'll do like a mini review at the end. Okay, now if any of you have TikTok or follow the big beauty trends, you've probably seen all this talk about the mini fridge. I fell into it. I got a mini fridge, and I am really excited to see where this is going to go. Now, originally I had ordered it from Amazon. I guess it got lost in transit. Not really sure what happened, but I got a refund. They were really quick at getting me my money back, so it was no problem. Thank you, Amazon, for doing that. I ordered one from Best Buy, and it came in today. I'm really excited to see how it turns out. I'm nervous. I'm really nervous because in my head I'm like, oh my gosh, what if this doesn't work out? But I'm gonna give it a try. I believe in total I may have paid like $64, $65, somewhere in that area. That's with the warranty as well. So if this one doesn't work, I can request a new one and send this one back. I'm not gonna lie, y'all. I'm scared. I really want this to work out. So this is the one that I got. On this side, it says that it's very versatile, so you can use it for beauty, office, if you're working or whatever, dorm in college. I wish I would have thought of this. New moms, that makes sense, with babies and vehicles. I love taking trips, so this is going to be very handy. Look at how cute it is. Oh my gosh. I cannot wait to decorate this. So, let's see if I can show you. So, it's not hard to open. You just kind of it's like a magnet. You just kind of push it. So this is the inside. This is it. Super cute. So here's the cord, just in case I decide to use it in my vehicle. It comes with everything that I think that is perfect. That definitely makes me feel like I got my money's worth, because if I do decide to take it on the road, I don't have to go and try and find this product anywhere else because it came with the product. So I definitely like that about this. Here's the USB, so I could plug it into a portable charger or something, like if I was camping or at a bonfire or something along those lines, or at a game, soccer game, something like that. It's nice. And last but not least, your regular wall outlet. This is the one I'm going to be using for now to test it out. I like how well packaged the product came. There's a few scratches on the front of it. Let's see if I can show you. I mean, it's not a big deal because I know I'm going to cover it, but like there's like a little dent right here. And there's a scratch right here. It's not a big deal. I'm not complaining about it because I know I'm going to cover it. Alright. So this is the back of the unit. It looks like this right here is where you're going to plug it in at. This is also another way to plug it in. This you can either put it at warm or cold. I'm going to be using mine at cold, but it's nice to know that I have that option. We're about to get down with the instructions. I feel like it's kind of self-explanatory, but I'm still going to read them just because I don't want to mess anything up. Alright, so we're at getting started. I've already done 1 through 3. We're now going on to 4, talking about turning on your unit. For cooling, set the power switch to cold setting. A green light will turn on, indicating the unit is in cooling mode. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to show you guys so you can see. So right now it is in the off position, but I'm going to push it up and it comes on. I did read the reviews and it did say something about like a slight humming noise. Honestly, I don't know if you guys can hear this, but it's really not that loud. I mean, honestly, this is going to be in my bathroom at my new house, so I mean, I probably won't even pay attention to it. It says it's not meant to heat food, so that's something to keep in mind if you decide to buy this product. It's just meant to keep it warm, and it says it can heat your food for about a minimum of 2 hours, which isn't that bad at all. The cooler does not have a lock. It has like a magnetic door. There's no lock on the side. It's just this little door and you just push it. It's a magnetic door. So that's how it'll stay sealed. Like, because I can't feel anything. On average, I've read that it takes about 2 hours, 2.5 hours for it to cool. I have let the mini fridge be plugged up for about 2.5 to 3 hours now. So I did put one product in here just to kind of see how my skincare products would feel. So open it, put my hand in. It's fairly cool. And my product, which I have here, is the Ordinary Face Peel. Love this stuff. But the fridge got actually pretty cold. So I'm very excited about this purchase. This little shelf right here does come in and out. If it need be, I could take this little shelf out here. I think that this was a very successful purchase. It's exactly what I thought it would be. It's exactly the right size, very lightweight. I'm very satisfied. I love it. It is absolutely the best product I've ever spent any money on. It wasn't expensive at all. It got here in a timely fashion. It wasn't late. It was on time. And I was very, very excited to open it and use it. I do keep beauty products in there as far as eye patches, skin oils, like my face roller, exfoliating lip stuff. It's just, I keep a lot of things in there, and it does get cold. One thing that I have noticed when I did move locations and I unplugged the refrigerator, it did have some water inside, but I read the reviews before I purchased it, so I was kind of expecting it to happen. I was hoping that it wouldn't happen, but I was expecting it to happen. It's not a big deal. It's just a little bit of water. It's not like it's flooding or anything like that. If you look at some of the reviews, it will say that there's humming. There is a slight hum, but it's so minute that you can't really, like, you have to actually be listening for the humming. What else? You can decorate it if you want to. I haven't decorated mine yet. Like I said, we just finished moving, just settled in. I feel that I'll eventually decorate it. Probably soon. I'll probably do a video about me decorating it. I mean, just like a little DIY project or whatever. Overall, on the scale of 1 to 10, for this product, I would definitely give it a 10. It takes about 2 hours for it to get cool. Other than that, I mean, it runs perfectly. I don't think that my money was wasted purchasing this product. I was skeptical about it because I had seen so many bad reviews about different refrigerators, but I kept coming back to the Cooluli one. I decided to order this product after seeing so many TikToks about it during quarantine, and I was like, you know what, I'm gonna give it a try because I do use a lot of skincare products. So if you use a lot of skincare products, or you're just really on top of your skincare routine, and you just kind of have it on the countertop or wherever in your bathroom, this refrigerator would be a nice little addition to your little collection. And it keeps everything in one nice spot. It's cool. I have some clips that I will be posting as far as in another video about my skincare routine. In that video, I will be showing exactly how my refrigerator was. It's no longer like that. I have rearranged my products to get it to look exactly how I need it to be. I definitely think that this product is worth the money. It's soft on the pockets. I mean, if you have it and you're not worried about money, I say go and get it. Coming up in the future, we have a couple of videos that will be uploaded. So, like I said, we'll have the skincare one. We'll have DIY projects that I have done. We will also have just a tour of my new room. And while I'm going through my room, I'll be doing my Amazon hauls just so you can see how they actually look compared to how it's presented on Amazon. So if you're thinking about ordering some of these products, you won't have to be necessarily afraid about ordering them because you'll know what they look like. So I want to say thank you for being loyal and bearing with me through all of this. I truly, truly, truly appreciate every single one of you. If you're watching this and you have not subscribed, subscribe. This is a work in progress dream of mine, and I'm gonna get better at posting videos. I promise that I am. Things are just a little all over the place as I'm back at work now, so I will be posting as I can. Keep your eye out for about 2 or 3 videos being uploaded this week, just to kind of catch up so you guys have some new material to look at. Share with everybody. If you think somebody is gonna like this video, share it. Share. Feel free to share some of my other videos. So with that being said, I'm gonna wrap up this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Stay tuned, and I'll see you next time. Bye.